Ever wondered what should you do with those old books? Guess what, people? Now they will come in handy. Take a bag, fill it with these books. For resistance sake, we are going to do some weighted training. The very first thing we are going to do is push-ups. First we will do normal push-ups. We don't need any resistance for that. So let's take that bag aside. "20 reps, 3 sets of push-ups." Now it's time for shoulder side raises. I'll show you. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure that you don't make those repetitions quick. A little bit slower, like this. 1. Let the muscle contract and release. Slowly, not too fast like this. Won't work. Very slow movement is necessary. Do this on the other side. Same. 10 reps, 3 sets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, and make sure that your elbow is not straight, a little bit bent, so the focus doesn't come on elbow. Your elbow doesn't get injured because of the weight. So as I said, 10 reps each and 3 sets. Well, now it's time for back row. Let me show you. Place your hand on any wall. Look at the movement. 1. Your elbow, it should be inside, should not go outside, it should not flow outside or flare outside. 1. A nice and tight contraction. 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't shrug your shoulder. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the same on the other side. 10 reps, 3 sets each. It's legs time. Let's do front squat. Take the bag, make it as a resistance, and squat. During squatting, make sure that you don't lean too much. You have to be straight. Do not arch your back. Just straight and just squat. See, I am straight. Look here. So 10 to 20 reps, 3 sets or 4 sets, depends on you. Guys, now it's time for ab exercises using that bag. Let's start. The very first thing, do crunches using this bag. So let's do. Keep your bag in your hands. Knees bend. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 repetitions, 3 sets. Now let's keep that weight aside and we'll do another ab exercise for lower abs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow movement is important. To 20 repetitions, 3 sets. Now it's time for your favorite workout, bicep curls using this bag. Let's start. It's very simple, guys. 1, 2, contract your bicep, release it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15 to 20 reps, 3 sets each. Guys, after bicep, it's time to focus on your triceps. So the first thing is get this bag. We're gonna do tricep overhead. So, like this. Start this exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to 20 reps, 3 sets. At the end of the workout, it's time to do plank. While planking, make sure you don't go down like this. Stay up like this. Your ass should be up. And hold it for around 30 seconds or 1 minute. It's upon you. Seconds. Guys, as you can see, I'm all sweaty just doing all these workouts. You too can try it at your home. It's very simple. Just get a bag, fill your books in it and follow my workout. And you don't need to go to gym to work out. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more glorious videos.